SCSK has supported businesses in strengthening their security for many years, under the slogan Beyond Distributor, and has grown significantly as an organization. Since 2008, we have been a distributor of Fortinet products, and we now boast the largest product lineup, the largest number of Fortinet certified employees of anyone in Japan. Our security specialists have extensive knowledge and experience in protecting businesses from threats by providing solutions optimized for their environments using our wide range of products. Product specialists provide technical support from pre-sales through design, testing, and implementation, while veteran engineers mentor and train junior engineers. We carry out our work every day, honing our skills together with our colleagues. We also offer high-quality maintenance service from over 100 service bases across Japan. In addition, we provide information at seminars and exhibitions, which we hold throughout Japan, and offer detailed support through hands-on training using our verification environment. All of these have earned us the trust of our customers. SCSK will continue to serve as a trusted partner with technical capabilities to support the safety and growth of businesses.
Create our future of dreams, SCSK.